Good morning, dear students. You'll get your test back today. We wrote the test last week. He turned out well. All students passed. Almost all. Lisa, please come to me for a minute.
Yes, of course, Mr. Coons. Have I done anything wrong?
I'd like to talk to you briefly about the test.
Did I get a good grade?
Not entirely. You got a 6, Lisa.
What? But that's the worst grade.
Why didn't you study for the test?
I've studied. A lot, actually.
I can't do anything. All answers were wrong.
I'll learn more next time. I promise.
There is another issue.
Another one?
That was the third test where you got a 6. I need to talk to your parents.
Please don't, Mr. Coons. I'm going to learn more.
It is too late for that. Hello, Mr. Peters. This is Mr. Coons, Lisa's class teacher. Hello, Mr. Coons. How can I help you? I need to talk to you about Lisa. Did something happen? Is she okay? Lisa got a 6 today. What? I can't believe it. There is one more thing. What else is there to tell? Please come to school. I'd like to talk to you in person. Okay, I'm on my way. What else did Lisa do wrong? I hope it's not a bad thing. She's usually a good girl. I'm going to talk to her teacher now. This is Lisa's school. I need to go to Mr. Coons's office. Hello, Mr. Coons. Hello, Mr. Peters. Thank you for coming. I'd love to. Why would you like to talk to me? Lisa has big problems at school. Really? I didn't know anything about that. She has already received a 6 3 times this year. That is not good. Yes, that is very bad. What can we do? Maybe she should repeat the year. Should she repeat the entire school year? It's just an idea. I just want what's best for Lisa. Thank you so much for your help. I've got an idea. I'm excited. I could study with Lisa all summer. She then rewrites the tests. We can do that. Thank you for the second chance, Mr. Coons. I'd love to.
What did Mr. Coons say, Papa?
We still have a chance, Lisa. But we need to learn a lot together.
We'll do that. Thank you, Dad. I love you.
In how many tests does Lisa have a 6? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. Write a comment.